Hi everyone, welcome to Student Tech Genius. In this video, we are going to see CPU OS simulator in the first serve scheduling algorithm with this given code. We need to create for process P1, P2, P3, P4 with arrival time of 0, 5, 2 and 4. After that, in the end, we need to answer these questions. So we will start. So this is the CPU OS simulator we have. We'll click on this compiler and we will open the program compiler. After that, we will load the program. And in the compiler, we will click on compile and compile button. This program is now compiled. After that, we will change the base address and we will save this. That we will load the program into the memory. For the loading, we need to open the OS simulator, and in this one, we will see our program in the program list. We need to create 4 process P1, P2, P3, P4 with 0, 5, 2 and 4 arrival time. So P1 with 0. So we will directly create P1. After that, P2 with 5. So P2 with 5-second delay. P3 with 2. P3 with 2. And P4 with 4. I have created P1, P2, P3, P4 with 0, 5, 2 and 4 arrival delays. After that, we need to execute the program. So I will choose the first come first serve algorithm and I will click on the start button. After the process is complete, we can view the logs. So this is the log we have. Scheduling scheme is first come first served. And this is the states for P1. This is the states for P3. This is the states for P2. And this is the states for P4. What is the order? P1, P3, P2, P4. So what is the order in which the process are executed? So this is the order. After the second question is what is the waiting time for each process? So we can see for P1, this is the waiting time. For P3, this is the waiting time. For P2, this is the waiting time. And for P4, this is the waiting time. Next is what is the burst period of each process? So we can see that burst period is 207. What is the average waiting time for all the processes? So average waiting time we can see that 9.99 seconds. So this is the first come first serve algorithm in the CPU OS simulator. Thank you.